Hey guys, this is Michelle of Michelle's Cozy Kitchen, bringing you today an all-inspired Caribbean recipe, brown stewed chicken. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for new video uploads. For this recipe, I would be using 10 bone-in chicken thighs. Place pan over medium heat and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then sprinkle enough brown sugar to lightly cover the surface of the pan. Try not to add too much sugar because this will make the dish very bitter. Once the oil gets heated, the sugar will begin to caramelize. It will change from a light brown to a medium brown, then a very dark brown color. When this occurs, you'll take a spoon and stir. Stirring would cause the entire mixture to be very dark brown, which is exactly what we want, guys. Now it's time to add the chicken. Add each piece of chicken skin side down to the mixture. Allow about 2 minutes to brown and then flip them over on the other side and repeat the process. Depending on the size of your pan, you may need to use more than one, or you can do them in batches. In this video, I am using 2 pans to brown the chicken. Once brown on both sides, remove the chicken from the pan and set aside. I am now going to cook the chicken using the same pan. However, I will first drain most of the oil. Then add 1 cup of water and stir. Grate in 4 cloves of garlic. I prefer to grate the garlic because it gives the dish a better flavor. Also for this, I am using a handheld grater, which makes the job so much easier. I will now add 1 finely chopped onion and stir to incorporate all of the flavors. Next, I have 3 mini sweet bell peppers, which I have cut open, remove the seeds, and will chop and add to the pan. You can add a half of a larger red bell pepper if you would like. It's just a preference. After adding the peppers, mix all of the ingredients together, then add the chicken and the excess liquid. Add about 1.5 to 2 cups of water to the pan, then the following seasonings: about 2 tablespoons of Badia Complete Seasoning, a dash of cayenne pepper, about 1 teaspoon or less of cloves. Guys, the cloves will definitely enhance the flavor of this dish. Finally, add about a 1/4 cup of ketchup, stir, cover, and allow to cook for about 45 minutes. This is enough time to ensure that the chicken are properly cooked. Once done, remove from heat and enjoy with mashed potatoes, rice and peas, steamed vegetables, or even macaroni pie. I hope you enjoyed this recipe from my cozy kitchen to yours. Just in case you missed my video on how to clean and season chicken, click the link in the description below or the video that pops up at the end of this one.